What is that candle? Jeez.
I had some buy orders I went through, sorry.
Yeah. Telling you, man. You need to cut me in on that next time.
I got you.
Candle was wild. What's up, YouTube? Welcome in. How is everyone doing? Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Adjust this where you all can see. This is ES we're looking at. It's hard to adjust my phone to see that chart, but were you watching, Brandon? Anything close? Anything you like?
Watching this IWM at like 219.50. We're close to it.
Nice.
But other than that, SPY levels all the way down to 579 and then 585.
Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone? Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. You know, JC, I don't really like a little burnout on teaching, but I thought about, what would be the best thing I feel like for, not for new traders, but for traders that been doing it for 2 to 3 years, we'll say a year plus. It's like doing like one course, and just like walk everyone through it, weekly calls, basically watch you trade, kind of give you pointers, kind of like the last course. I don't know if I ever do that, but it'd be pretty cool, I think. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. What's up, Eric? How are you? We may get a trade here pretty soon, everyone. Pretty soon. I've taught for years, art of home. I am a little burnout on it, but I teach in the Team Bull Mastermind. I used to do one-on-ones years ago. I stopped doing them because I just stayed covered up. I opened up the thing where people could book them. It was just wild. I said, well, I teach in the Mastermind and Team Bull. It starts next week. Yeah, JC, I'll definitely consider it. Yeah, I'll definitely consider that. Watch it bounce early on us here. Miss our zone by a few points, which is okay. Yeah. Yeah, Rock. Yeah, appreciate your support on YouTube, Rock, on the videos. Good morning, Honda. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. We caught 3 winning trades on here yesterday. Crazy. Crazy. Yes, you can. Yes, if you want this indicator on my screen, you go to grizzlytrades.com. You'll see it there. It's called Grizzology. It's for TradingView. And if you have any issues with it, the company WHOP, WHOP, that's who I sell it through. They got the best customer support. They'll walk you right through, anything you need, and they're fast. So appreciate all the support you show, everyone. I have a ton of subscribers for it now. Thanks to you all. I need a little bit lower, everyone, and I'll be looking for a possible long entry. A little lower. I got a level on ES and one on NQ, so. The NQ level is based off QQQ level. Look at QQQ, the hourly trend line we have. Should line up to like 492.7 on QQQ. Appreciate you, Daryl. You do need TradingView, yes, for the indicator. Let's focus on this level here. We may catch this trade. We'll wait on confirmation. We're looking at the 5-minute. Remember, I do prefer the hourly confirmation, but if the 5-minute confirms, I will give it a go here. Probably set my stop loss below this zone once we confirm, everyone. Interested to see how Tesla earnings go after hours today. Should be interesting to watch. Appreciate you all hanging out on YouTube with me. We might have a trade here soon, so be sure to stick around. We're not far from my levels. Be sure you're following. Run up them thumbs up while we're waiting. The likes. I'm gonna check out what McDonald's is doing in front of me. They had that huge sell-off. Let's see. I'm considering getting some call leaps here on McDonald's. Let's see how much they are. I like March of next year's expiration. Not too bad. 1500 for the 300 strike. I may do some call leaps on McDonald's, everyone. We'll see. I'm gonna give it till end of day, see where we're at. You can find my indicator at grizzlytrades.com. Brian, I don't like it honestly. I'm not saying it that couldn't print, but
What's the level you're watching, Riz?
uh well, I'm watching this hourly trend line on QQQ. If you can pull that up, but I also have a zone on ES. It starts at 5866 and the bottom of the zone goes to 5861. So looking for a dip down and reclaim on that for a long entry.
So your trend line at like 492.2.
Let me check. 492 point about 492.6 area. 0.5 somewhere in there.
Got you. I don't know. I feel like today's gonna be slow because of Tesla.
Yeah, we do have some 10 a.m. data, so maybe that can have some impact.
Yeah, 16 sales.
We got 363 people on this YouTube live right now, everyone. 366. This is the highest amount that we've held since we started. We've not been going long either. You watch, if I continue this will be one of the biggest streams. Because, you know, that's just how many people is here. Thousands of people watch, drop in and watch.
Where's that Jadon dude at?
Jaden said he had to take care of some stuff this morning. I think he may have been working out or something, but I guess he's got a busy day. He should be here soon, though.
Hopefully he didn't already work out. He's supposed to hit back with me and GD.
Pretty sure I heard the gym in the background. I may be wrong.
I'll be disappointed.
You didn't hear it from me. You all will see the confirmation here. Drinking some good coffee. Anyone else sipping some coffee while we're waiting on this trade setup? I don't know, Raymond, honestly. You need the data for sure. I just like my coffee like black, straight coffee. How long did it take me to make the indicator? I think I had 4 meetings with the guy that actually coded it or built it, you know. 4 or 5 meetings. Zoom meetings, kind of build it, fine tune it, you know, added to it, kept fine tuning to exactly what I wanted. It took me forever to find someone to build it. Remember, for those that have it, I'm dropping the free indicator as well. It's a different type of indicator. The one you see here is supply and demand. The next one I'm dropping is, it's going to help you out with like trend retest. Come on, push down for us. Let's get into this zone so we can catch a trade. I'm up over 5K on the week, everyone. 2 days in on futures trading. Jadon's about to come on here and scare everyone.
Let's go! What's up, Grizzly?
I knew it. What's up?
What's up, Derek Brielle? What's going on, everybody?
You can hear Team Bull in the background.
There he is. First 15 to pass. We're ready to make a bag. Trading NQ. Give me my money. And Nikita, give me my money. Come on, Nikita, give me my money. Morning, buddy. How's your morning been, Grizzly? You guys catch any bangers yet?
Nope, no trades yet. We're getting close though. Close to my zones here, so I believe we will catch one.
Let's go. I'm ready. Ready for this thing, baby. Should I hand out some spy contracts for Halloween? 1 con of NQ for each trick-or-treater.
Look at that DM I just sent you on Discord, Jadon.
Damn, that's dope.
Come on, push on down for us.
Right.
Push on down. Yeah, I trade SPY. You can trade ES or SPY, Jazz. ES options or sorry, ES futures or SPY options. Whichever one you prefer. We just need a little bit lower. No, Michael, I was just showing him how many was in this live with us. The Bears in control today, you think? I don't know. I'm looking for a nice bounce. A nice bounce. We got 10 more minutes till data drops, everyone. We have, here, I'll just show you all real quick, okay? This is what we have. Existing home sales. Could be a mover. We had a Fed speaker come on. Then later today we have another Then we have Tesla earnings after hours. Getting closer, everyone, to this bounce level. Be ready. We got a bounce level on QQQ coming up and on ES futures. Yeah, we've got the news in 9 minutes or 8 minutes. But if you drop questions in the comments, I do my best to answer them, everyone. So as long as we're not in the trade, I'm not too distracted. I'll probably do NQ for the QQQ bounce. Oh, someone in a trade. Let me see. Savage just said he's testing SPX puts. Nice. That's not my personal trade. That's another admin inside Team Bulls. He entered SPX puts. I'm not taking it personally, but if you all want to follow, feel free to. I'm waiting on my area for a bounce. Yeah, I trade futures mostly now, yes. Yes, it does work for NQ. How do you confirm a trade? Well, my indicator will show confirmation on the screen once it confirms. But basically just trade supply and demand. Look for the right volume coming back out. Want to see aggressive buyers coming out of a bounce area. Ideally, we wait on the close out of it for entry. Very basic stuff. This, like I said, I just trade very simple. But people do not realize doing something simple consistently every single day is not easy. So it takes discipline. How to overcome not selling too early. I just manage my trade. So I'll get in, I trim at my first price target, typically half my position. Set my stop loss at entry at that point. If it continues on down to my next trim, great. If it comes up and hits my stop loss, I'm not giving back any profits. You just got to manage it. It's only 1 day in time. We don't have too much time to, catch 200%, 300% trades every day. We just got to manage them. If they run, we let them run. If they hit or stop, we stop. What platform do I use to trade futures? Well, you can, if you want to trade your own, if you want to fund your own account, I like Tradeovate. They're solid, pretty beginner friendly. If you want funded accounts, um, I've used Apex. That's who I use the most. There's other solid companies out there, but I can only go by where I've received payouts. And if you want to check out Apex, just use my code Grizzly. You should get a discount. Code GRIZZLY. But if you're gonna fund your own, I like Tradeovate. Pretty straightforward. I do not trade crypto. I buy it for long term, but I don't trade it. And I haven't been buying much recently. What a range we've been in. This is horrible range. The best move was off the opening 1 minute candle, I believe. No, I just follow this. Once like this indicator set up, let me show you all something while we got a second. So I got it set up, right? If you want it, if it's going to invalidate the zones with the wicks, if you set it to wicks. So if a wick's below that zone, it's going to erase it. You can wait on, you can switch it to close, but this is how I like my settings. Yeah, let's get this news out of the way. See which way we push. I'm going to take a look at SPX real quick. I got resistance on SPX at 5843, but I'm not really looking for that right now. Kind of just didn't respect it well yesterday. We shall see. Can you all, when the data drops, can you drop it in the chat here? What's going on? If you don't care. We had a good day trading on here yesterday. For those that was here, they can confirm, but we had 3 winning trades. Here we go. Data's about to drop, everyone. Let's see what happens. Maybe to give us a setup. Let's see what happens here. Sales are down slightly. You're getting close. Come on now. Push on down. Push on down for us. Yo, we got 400 on here. Uh, 0.6, 492.6 on QQQ would be the bounce. For those who just joined us, we're watching two different setups. You having some issues loading your TOS? We're trying to make some money here. Touch the trend line. We touched that trend line on that QQQ, everyone. I'm not for sure if we're going to hold it. Fell through it. No entry yet. No entry on the ES bounce is still solid once we get confirmation, but we're falling right through the hourly trend line on QQQ, so I'm holding off on my NQ position. Nice trade, Savage. Savage just puts printed on SPX if you all took that when I told you earlier. Wait on the 5-minute close, everyone. That's what I'm waiting on. We're here, JB. I'm on Zoom. I guess you all can see why it's important to wait on the close, huh? See how it kind of confirms and invalidates, confirms, invalidates. We need that strong close. What? No, Karim, it has to confirm the candle close. It doesn't confirm just until the candle's close. It's about to invalidate. See, it invalidated. That's why you don't take it until the candle close. That's what I like about it so much. There's no guesswork. You just follow it. Follow your system. Create your system with it. Use your own edge, whatever that is with it. Just be patient. You're welcome. Let's take a look at NQ real quick. Take a look at NQ. Oh, NQ's in the zone. See if it invalidates. Look at NVIDIA, everyone. That's what's happening right now. Sell off. Correct, John. Good morning, everyone. How we doing on YouTube? How is everyone? I know it's kind of a boring morning with me, but 3 winners yesterday. We're gonna be extra patient today. Wait on strong confirmation. You all having a good morning? Good. I haven't been doing it long, Jonas, but as you can tell, people are loving it. Let's be honest, we have some good conversations on here apart from the stock market as well. That candle didn't confirm. See, even though we came back out, that didn't have the right volume to confirm. So give us a nice push down, confirm. That's a shame too. It almost confirmed. No, I'm not no trades. No trades for me. Not yet. Don't you just hate that? We're so close to having confirmation there. What was that? Let's see. Your entry would have been, if this candle had confirmed, it didn't. But for educational purposes, if it did, our entry would have been right here at 372. Of course, that 400 would have been a trim spot because the whole psych number. Then hold, see if you break that. Once we trim though, stop loss back at entry. Caught that, see if we get any continuation. No, I'm not in anything right now. Who was anyone in my Instagram live this morning who was creating her levels? We almost took the VWAP reject on QQQ. Sorry, on NQ. We literally missed that trade by 2 points. That'd have been massive. Massive trade, but we missed it. Oh, it's no problem. It just didn't have enough aggressive buying on this candle to confirm, to match my criteria. I mean, of course, if you took it, you made money, but still, it's just, it didn't give us the buy. This candle would, easily, but it's not inside my zone. Good morning. Appreciate it. Let's see. This could be a possible reject area. Let's watch this. This isn't based off my indicator, but we're back inside that trend. I want to see this push up a little closer to this sell-off area. I tried a light size shorts on NQ. I entered some NQ shorts. Light size, everyone, not my typical setup. Not my typical setup, so I'm light. Reason for that trade, we come back up, retested that previous hourly trend on QQQ. Now I want to see if we continue the sell-off. I'll keep my stops above the 90 EMA on QQQ. NQ shorts. See if we just get a nice flush here. Alright, everyone, I'm trimming here on the NQ shorts. Just got filled on it. Stops at entry. Now, do not give back your profits. Let's see if we get more out of this trade. You hear me? Everyone put your stops at profit. It could turn around here. I'm still in as of now. Hit my entry. I'm out. I'm out of the trade. We didn't get the continuation I wanted there. Could reverse. Nice scalp. You want to make a little money on that with me? Give me a W if you did. I wanted low a day, but clearly clear sign was going to bounce. Going to reverse there. See how much I made off that. I had two, only had two short. $7.90, not bad. Not bad. $790. We could still sell off here, but I'm happy with our decision there to stop at entry on our runners or remaining position. Jesus, you had 6 short. You made a bag then. You're welcome, AMG. I'm still interested in a possible long position. We just got to get confirmation. My indicator will give the confirmation I'm looking for right now. A little grizzology for you. I'm just glad we had a nice quick scalp there. How fast was that trade? How long was we in that trade? Anybody? $790 a minute? I mean, where else can you make money like that? Where else? I'm going to be here for just a little while longer, see if we get confirmation on this. Nice. 3 minutes and 49 seconds trade. I made $790. I may have paper handed it, but I'm okay with it because I didn't give back any profits. If it doesn't bounce this zone, we'll probably just have a slow grind down day. Slow grind down day if we don't bounce this zone. Had 2 NQ short. 2 NQ shorts. This is NQ. What platform are you trying to look it up on? Someone dropped a ticker for NQ in the chat for Loya. It's different on Thinkorswim and it's different on Tradovate. Charles Schwab, it is. Oh, let me show you. I'll just show you. Well, it's NQ. Caught any nice trades yet, Brandon? Or are you already going to get GD? Hold on, Brandon. All right, go ahead. Starting to like longs here. Hear my dog drinking water in the living room aggressively. Yeah, aggressive. Do we dare try some longs here? We're getting above that 400. I like this 5-minute price action on it. This hourly about to turn, give us the signal. Let's look at the 15-minute real quick. That was close. 30-minute. Nothing's confirming yet. Well, I'm gonna try some. Well, never mind. It pumped up too quick. I didn't get in. I was about to rip some longs. I was just about to rip some longs and it pushed up. See what this hourly looks like. Why is this zone not confirming yet? Didn't have enough buying. Not enough buying on that candle. Not enough to overweigh. We push back like right in this area. I'm gonna try a light size of NQ longs. This is where it gets hard not to chase. This is where your discipline comes in. I know it feels like we're missing out on money, but we didn't really get a good entry yet. Not much of a pullback. We consolidated there. Didn't get a confirmation, so I'm okay if we miss this one. take a look at ES. See what ES did. Nothing there. Look at SPX. Nothing there. SPY. We are now at VWAP on NQ, everyone. Touching VWAP. You missed a massive trade for sure, but it's all good. Might just be a $790 day for me. Yeah, for real. Julian, I feel that. No, the longs took off without us. I didn't get the confirmation I wanted down there. That's why we didn't get in, everyone. Just wasn't enough. It could still confirm on the hourly. Wait on the hourly close. It just wasn't enough aggressive buying here. Didn't like it enough. If we'd push up a little further, we would have confirmed, but Jared, I do not know. I'm watching. I think if we get a pullback, I may try some longs. Did it? Let's take a look real quick, everyone. What QQQ? You said hourly? Let me switch back to NQ. I probably need to re-add, man. I gotta re-add it. Let me do that real quick. I'm gonna try a light size of longs here. Just light. Oh. I needed to break out here. Oh. So what's Tesla doing for earnings? We selling off? Or we pumping? I'm not taking it. I just wonder. I gotta trim. I'm gonna trim next push up. I want closer to that 450. Closer to that 450. There's 10 points. Manage your trades as you see fit. I'm just see if I can get up to that 450 area personally. Coffee's code. There we go. Trim, everyone. Trim. Trim your longs. I guess you all can hear my computer when I trim, but see if we break this. Stops at entry. Put your stops at entry. See if we get this push up here that we want. Set your stops at entry. I gotta mute for a second. All right. You all about ready to see if I can get this push up we wanted? You all making any money with me or what? 2 winning trades today. We have been on a streak. Manage your trades as you see fit, everyone. I am done for the morning. If you want this indicator, go to grizzlytrades.com. You can get it. Appreciate you all, and you want to trade live in the morning? Shall we? Let's do it. Appreciate you all.